Have you ever wondered what happens when a city built for sunshine is hit with a year's worth of rainfall in just a few hours? Picture this: Dubai, a city known for its arid climate and scorching sun, recently experienced an event so unusual, it left everyone astounded. In a span of 24 hours, the city was doused with a record-breaking 10 inches of rain. This isn't your ordinary drizzle. We're talking about a deluge equivalent to a year's worth of rainfall. This wasn't just a case of pulling out umbrellas and donning raincoats. The effects of this unprecedented downpour were far-reaching and disruptive. Schools had to shut their doors, not because of a holiday, but due to the heavy rain. This didn't just mean a day off for students. It meant a halt in learning, a disruption in the academic calendar. Flights, too, were not spared from the wrath of this unexpected weather. Airports buzzed with confusion as flights were delayed or canceled, leaving passengers stranded and schedules in disarray. The usually bustling city was thrown into a state of chaos as the skies opened and poured down. And let's not forget about the roads. They became dangerous rivers, making travel treacherous, if not impossible. This wasn't just an inconvenience, it was a threat to safety. Cars were not just battling traffic, they were fighting against the rising tide of water. But the rain didn't just disrupt daily routines. It also brought with it a slew of questions, the most pressing of them all. What could have caused this? It's a question that's been on everyone's lips since the day the skies turned gray. Was it a freak of nature, or was there more to it? In the face of such an unusual event, it's natural to ask, what caused this? This brings us to the next part of our discussion, the role of cloud seeding and climate change in extreme weather events. But that's a story for the next scene. For now, let's just say that when it rains, it pours, especially when it's in a place least expected. Could human intervention have played a part in this extreme weather event? This question has been on many minds since the recent historic rainfall in Dubai. To find an answer, we must delve into the intriguing world of weather modification, specifically a technique known as cloud seeding. Cloud seeding is not a newcomer to the United Arab Emirates. It has been employed since the 90s as a means to enhance rainfall. The principle behind it is simple, yet ingenious. Compounds like silver iodide or natural salts are dispersed into clouds. These particles serve as a nucleus, encouraging the microdroplets in the cloud to coalesce and grow until they're heavy enough to fall as rain or snow. But did cloud seeding precede the recent flooding in Dubai? The answer is a subject of debate. There are conflicting reports on whether cloud seeding operations were conducted before the deluge. Even if they were, experts are skeptical that it could have significantly influenced the rainfall. While the UAE's cloud seeding program aims to increase rainfall by 10 to 30% annually, to attribute a year's worth of rain in just a few hours solely to cloud seeding may be a leap too far. Cloud seeding remains a controversial topic. While some hail it as a solution to water scarcity, others point out potential unintended consequences, such as the disruption of natural weather patterns and ecological systems. However, the extreme rainfall witnessed in Dubai is far beyond what cloud seeding has been known to produce. While cloud seeding remains a topic of debate, there's another factor we can't ignore: climate change. This global phenomenon, characterized by rising temperatures and increasingly erratic weather, is altering the world as we know it, and may well have played a significant role in the unprecedented rainfall Dubai experienced. Could our changing climate be the unseen force behind Dubai's record-breaking rainfall? In recent times, climate change has become an undeniable reality, and its effects are not just limited to the polar ice caps. It's reaching into every corner of the globe, including the arid deserts of the UAE. The unprecedented rainfall and subsequent flooding in Dubai could be an example of how climate change is intensifying weather patterns and causing extreme weather events. The storm that hit Dubai was fueled by unusually warm sea temperatures and moist air. These are conditions that are becoming increasingly common as the planet warms. When sea temperatures rise, more water evaporates into the atmosphere. This moisture-laden air can lead to intense rainfall when it meets a storm system, just like the one that flooded Dubai. Experts, studying the patterns and causes of such extreme weather events, attribute this phenomenon to climate change. The storm that led to the historic rainfall wasn't an isolated incident, but rather part of a global trend of increasing weather extremes. Thunderstorms, once a rarity in this desert city, are becoming more frequent and more severe, a pattern that aligns with what we'd expect in a warming world. Climate change is not just about slowly rising temperatures. It's about disrupting the balance of our planet's climate system. And this disruption can lead to unpredictable and extreme weather events. The record-breaking rainfall in Dubai could very well be a manifestation of this disruption. So while the controversy over cloud seeding continues, we must not overlook the bigger picture. Our planet's climate is changing, and these changes are leading to more intense and frequent extreme weather events. The Deluge in Dubai, a city more accustomed to dealing with heat waves than floods, is a stark reminder of the far-reaching impacts of climate change. As we face the reality of our changing climate, we must also confront the consequences. What happens to a city and its people when they are unprepared for such an extreme weather event? Imagine the bustling city of Dubai, a place known for its scorching heat and sunny days, suddenly submerged under a deluge of rain. The scene almost feels out of a movie, but it's not. It's the reality that the people of Dubai recently faced. The heavy rainfall brought an unprecedented disruption to the city's transportation. Roads turned into rivers, cars floated like boats, and the usual hum of the city was drowned in the sounds of rain and thunder. Flights were disrupted, leaving many stranded and helpless, their plans and schedules thrown into disarray. Schools had to close their doors, forcing children to stay at home, their routines disrupted. But the impact of this extreme weather event was far more than just inconveniences. The flooding claimed lives, a tragic consequence of a natural event so out of the ordinary for this region. Every life lost was a stark reminder of our vulnerability in the face of nature's might. The residents of the UAE and Oman were urged to stay home and take precautions against the flooding. But how does one prepare for a year's worth of rain in a day? How do you brace yourself against such an unexpected and historic event? This was not just a heavy downpour. This was historic, a rainfall surpassing records dating back to 1949. The city and its people had never seen anything like it. They had to adapt and respond in real time to a situation they had never anticipated. It was a test of resilience, a test of adaptability, and a test of strength. While the rain has stopped, its effects are still being felt. The water may have drained away, but the memories of this event are etched in the city and its people. The scars remain, a reminder of the day when the sky opened up and the city of Dubai, known for its arid climate, was drenched in a flood of historic proportions. What can we learn from this unprecedented event, and how can we prepare for the future? This is a question that resonates not just in Dubai, but globally. The recent rainfall in Dubai, a record-breaking event, is a stark reminder of the unpredictable and often devastating impacts of extreme weather. It prompts us to seriously consider our preparedness for such events, especially as climate change continues to alter weather patterns around the world. While the exact causes of this event are still being studied, it serves as a wake-up call. It underscores the importance of understanding weather patterns and the potential effects of climate change. It's not just about knowing that global warming might lead to more intense rainfall. It's about understanding what that means for our societies and how we can adapt to these changes. Ongoing research is crucial in this regard. Studies are being conducted right now to explore the potential link between climate change and more intense rainfall. These studies will not only inform our understanding of climate change, but will also help us develop strategies to mitigate its effects. Preparation is key. It's not enough to react to these events as they occur. We must anticipate them, plan for them, and build our societies to withstand them. As we navigate the uncertainties of the future, we must remember that knowledge is our most powerful tool. By understanding the impacts of climate change, we can prepare for them. By preparing for them, we can protect our societies from the worst of their effects. As we continue to learn and adapt, we can hope to better prepare for the future. Extreme weather events like the recent heavy rains in Dubai are a reminder of the unpredictable nature of our world. From the unprecedented rainfall itself, the controversy around cloud seeding, to the potential role of climate change and the profound impact on the people of Dubai, each aspect underscores the importance of understanding and preparing for extreme weather events. Stay informed, stay prepared, and stay safe. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Together, we can learn and adapt to our changing world.